Welcome back, welcome back. It's the DMV Wig Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland. Today we're going to be doing a beautiful micro lock unit. And girl, we have been working all our life. Oh yes, so many long, hard nights trying to do this unit. And this, oh, girl, I was running my mouth so much, but pretty much we use an interlocking tool for this. And this is a prosthesis. This was measured for our client. We customized the scalp and everything, and actually we colored it as well. So because she has jet black hair, and this unit should probably last her for about 10 months to a year. And with this unit, it's going to be very special. It's going to be glueless. She'll have the option of taking this on and off or sewing it down. And this is a very tedious process. So you gotta come out with the big box, baby. All right. This is not the Beauty Supply Store Express. If you want an all-natural human hair unit, okay, that's high quality, that's lasts and looks very natural. That's, you know, girl, when you walk up in the room, boop, nobody even know you got a wig. Okay. So that's the type of wig life that we're trying to be about at Main Attractions with the Wig Doctor. And these units can be purchased online. I had somebody call me today from Atlanta. He was very sad when he found out that I was in the DC metro area, okay? But don't be too sad, because if you send us your measurements, we can make you a custom piece too, all right? All right, and we're just showing you that scalp. It's a transparent scalp, very natural. We're gonna show you some pictures of it installed in a few more, I don't know, it's a minute or seconds. My clients, all my YouTube subscribers, normally a lot of them say that my videos are too short. So this is a long time of me talking, girl. Just flip, flap, flappity, flap. Okay, and I'm just showing you the inside and the outside. Some of the other things, we're going to do our own custom clips and everything. And boop, boop, what they say on YouTube, boop, boop, bop, boom, boop. Girl, look at that unit. Look at that custom unit. This client wants, she is an alopecia sufferer, and her hair was very short, and we wanted to blend it in with what she already had. And we turned into like a cute little bob. And girl, it just looks amazing. You can book some of our custom wigs at Pure Virgin Maine. Oh, and that was her before picture. Book now with the Wig Doctor at purevirginmaine.com to order units, or mainattractionshair.com for services.